architecture studio, BVN has retrofitted the 1970s Brutalist Sirius Building in Sydney, Australia, and extended it with a series of copper-clad pods. The studio renovated the distinctive Brutalist housing project located near Sydney Harbour, which was designed in 1970 by Dutch architect Tao Goffers. BVN won a competition to redesign the building in 2019 following a campaign to save it from demolition. The renovated building contains 75 modern apartments along with wellness facilities and street-level retails. The original facade was retained and restored with a new extension distinguished from the original concrete exterior with copper cladding that nods to its modular design. Copper cladding distinguishes the additions from the existing building, offering legibility of Sirius' original Brutalist expression, its history and evolution. According to BVN principal Phillip Room, the copper will age favorably over time, harmonizing with building's rugged signature concrete. The redevelopment aims to prioritize the building's connections to the surrounding neighborhood. Barriers were removed between the site and the rock district where it resides. At street level, shops and a through-side pedestrian path decorated with historic artifacts were added. According to the studio, the retrofit is an example of how architects could look to revitalize existing buildings rather than demolish them. Revitalizing built infrastructure instead of resorting to demolition is crucial for sustainable urban development. According to Rossington, by preserving and reimagining structures such as Sirius, we honor their history, reduce waste, and create vibrant, memorable spaces that connect past and future generations. BVN also designed the majority of the interiors. It created a total of 26 apartment types to accommodate modern luxury living, such as split-level apartments and amalgamated apartments. Warm tones of timber, stone, and metals are used throughout the apartments, contrasting the building's rough exterior. The timber-lined Phillip Room has been restored as a communal area for residents on the ground floor, which features the restored timber bison artworks by architect Penny Roser. According to Sally Campbell, BVN principal, our approach to the interior design takes cues from the strength of the building's original design. Materials chosen for longevity complement the concrete and copper, and play on the contrast between raw and polished to create very tactile spaces. Sirius was sold to JDH Capital for 150 million Australian dollar in 2019 following the controversy of the New South Wales government's decision to refuse its heritage listing in 2017 against the advice of Heritage Council of New South Wales. Founded in 1926, BVN now has a studio in Sydney, Brisbane, New York, and London. Its Quarter Tower in Sydney, designed together with Danish Studio 3XN, won the Best Tall Building at the Council on Tall Buildings and Urban Habitat Annual Awards for 2023. They are also currently designing the Sydney headquarters of technology company Atlassian with SHOP Architects, which they claim will be the world's tallest hybrid timber building when completed. The sale of Sirius for redevelopment represents an end to years of uncertainty in which social housing residents fought to save their home, with architects and Sydney-siders alike speculating that the building would be demolished to make way for luxury residents. Thanks for watching this video till the end, and do subscribe to the channel to get the latest update on construction videos around the world.